all drugstore. Oh wait, it wasn't drugstore. Here. If you're new here, welcome to the channel, and if you're not, welcome back. Don't forget to subscribe below before you head out. In today's video, we're going to be doing, it was supposed to be a drugstore glam, which it 99% of the products that I use today are from the drugstore. However, I ended up grabbing my Laura Mercier setting powder, not giving it any thought, and I used that when I clearly had my Maybelline Fit Me setting powder right here in front of me. However, I'm just so used to using Laura Mercier, that's what I went for, and that had made a cameo in the video. I also wanted to kind of take a stab at this whole TikTok makeup hack, which I don't know if it's a new thing, because a lot of us makeup artists and a lot of people who are into makeup and makeup enthusiasts and things of that nature set their face first. But the only difference that I noticed is that they're doing the powder first, the powder primer. You put primer on top of the powder. So anyway, this is a cute little matte eye look. So if you would like to see how I achieve this look, keep watching. Okay, hey, so I wanted to stop right here because I'm about to apply some lashes. Kara Beauty lashes. I got these from Miss A. I think they were $1, so they're really good lashes that I love. But I also wanted to jump in really quickly and talk about this. I guess it's a TikTok challenge. I've never heard about it. I mean, until just recently I've heard that there's a TikTok challenge, but I've also seen this prior to, where people apply their makeup backwards. So you start with like your setting powder. Well, first you do your typical skin prep with your moisturizer or whatnot, and then you do your setting powder, and then you spray your setting spray, and then apply your foundation. So I wanted to try that today. So I think we're going to give that a try. And I typically don't. I do my foundation the same way all the time. And I always do my face last, because people who could do their face first, the real MVP for real, because I just could never do my face first, ever. Ever in life. Apply. So how do you guys apply your foundation or your makeup? How do you do it? Do you do your eyes first or your face first? Let me know in the comments. Okay, so lashes are on. I wanted to look up really quickly TikTok challenge makeup. It's actually called TikTok makeup hack. So it says the hack encourages makeup lovers to apply their base in the following order: moisturizer, translucent powder, setting spray, primer, and finally foundation. That's so backwards. I'm almost nervous, but I'm gonna try it, so let's go. I'm familiar with a lot of people go in with their setting powder first. Now I know a lot of people who do their makeup that way, and I have done that before. The only thing I haven't done is apply the primer over top of the setting powder as well as the setting spray. So this will be different for me. So okay, I've already moisturized and now it says to go in with translucent powder. So I'm going to use my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I think I'm going to use just a fluffy brush and apply it. I don't know if it'll go like this. I know definitely in a T-zone area for sure, because that's where I get oily. Are you like supposed to do a lot? I don't know. Like how much? Do I go under my eye? Like, okay. So I've applied the translucent powder. Next is setting spray. Let's go in with our Morphe Luminous setting spray. How much? I don't know. Okay. Then it says, wait, go back. Then it says primer. I'm supposed to put primer over top of this? That just seems so odd. Well, let's go in with our Urban Decay All Nighter primer. I'm just putting it on the brush around. I'm gonna go around my T-zone. I guess just anywhere that you apply primer. I'm just like so scared that it's going to like get really cakey. That's why I really want to use my fingers. Okay. See, look at that. So now I'm going to go into my L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation. Go in with my sponge. I guess it looks okay. I just feel really cakey for some reason. I don't know. I guess it's okay. I guess the true test is how it'll hold up throughout the day. I guess, maybe, I don't know. But hey, trends. So I'm gonna use Milani Conceal and Perfect, and then I'll probably go in with the L'Oreal Infallible to just conceal and highlight. And I typically don't go under my nose. That's normally just for like Instagram video purposes to, you know, create more of content for content purposes. But when I'm doing my makeup just on an everyday basis, like every day, I don't go down my nose, the center of my nose. Because once you blend everything out, I will take the remaining that's on the brush, on the blender, on the sponge, and just go down the center of my nose, and that's just enough to kind of create that effect that people go for on the nose. Today I'm using this makeup sponge from Amazon, and I actually love it. I'll link it down below, but it's pretty much a dupe to the Beauty Blender. It's nice and soft. And it came in like a pack of 5, I think. But yeah, I'll link it down below for you guys if you want to try it out. Man, Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer, as well as their foundation is so nice. But the L'Oreal Fresh Wear Concealer, bomb. It is like the best drugstore concealer ever. I just love it. Look how smooth that looks. Okay, and now we're going to do a little bit of contour or bronzing. Black Radiance, I believe. Yep, Black Radiance Color Perfect foundation stick, or color perfect, or color perfect, whatever. Foundation stick, and I just go right here, to blend it out. So am I supposed to go back in and set with this hack? I mean, I would think so, right? I mean, I have to set underneath my eye. So what is the point? I guess it's based off of the longevity of the makeup, maybe throughout your day. But I'm just gonna go in with the Laura Mercier to set my under eye. And I'm going to apply it with a brush first, just to kind of gently lay the powder there. With a nice fluffy brush. I think this is a Aveda brush. It came in my kit when I went to esthetician school. And I've had it forever. Oh yep, Aveda brush number 9. Had it forever. I actually liked all of their brushes because there was another brush. Oh, and the paddle brush. If you went to Aveda, you know what I'm talking about. It's the best brush ever for your hair. And it looks good. To set my contour, another Black Radiance, their pressed powder. This is in the color Warm Hazelnut, which again, another one of my favorites. You know, if you ever go too heavy-handed on any type of powder product, just go back through with either like your foundation brush, your sponge, or just a fluffy brush to kind of blend it out. That is the trick. So then I'm gonna take a little bit of that powder as well and just to go down my nose. This is definitely not needed for a makeup application. However, I feel like it just brings everything together. So I'm going to go back into our e.l.f. palette. Then I'm going to go in with my Sephora powder. This powder, if you don't have it, get it, because it literally just seals the deal on your makeup. You see how it just kind of blends everything together nicely? Seals the deal. And then I gotta make sure I get back here. So I went ham with the powder, setting powder. And for highlight today, oh, it's supposed to be a drugstore, but I use Sephora. I forgot. This Full Spectrum CoverGirl Sculpt Expert cheek palette for highlight, which is absolutely amazing. It's really pigmented. As you can see, the pink is extremely dark, but this gold is so pretty. This gold in this kind of like opal shade. I don't even think it has like names. So of course, Golden Flower Crown is an OG from Wet n Wild, for sure. And then there's Morphe. So these are typically Morphe Spark. These are typically the highlighters that I'm grabbing when I'm doing, what am I doing? A drugstore makeup look. So today, let's go in with the Golden Flower Crown by Wet n Wild. See how pretty that is? Pretty. It doesn't even give you too much, you know, it's just like just right. Perfect for like an everyday 9-to-5 job person, corporate, to wear every day. Going into the office, it's not too bad. Add a little bit down the bridge of my nose. And then going to just pop a little bit of that in the inner corner. In the inner corner of my eye with this little brush. This is a Morphe M507 brush. And today's lip, BFF3 Color Pop. Then I always go back and forth between Morphe Boho and NYX Butter Gloss and Fortune Cookie. These are so amazing, especially if you pair it with a brown lip liner. So I'm probably just going to use both. Let's do both. Pretty. So pretty. I'll take the Boho Morphe, go on top, which they're kind of the same. I think Morphe just kind of has more of a glossier liner. And what I've been forgetting forever, for the longest, is mascara lately. I've been like literally running out the door and forgetting to put on mascara. Not sure what that's all about, but that ain't hot. That ain't hot. This is Voluminous Lash Paradise by L'Oreal, right? Yes, L'Oreal, right? Yes, don't forget them bottom lashes, girl. Look at that. Mascara, no mascara. Definitely makes a difference. Makes a difference. My setting spray, whew, that's just the best part. Yes. And that's the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment below. Let me know how you do your makeup. Do you do your foundation first? Do you do your face first or your eyes first? I'm definitely an eye girl. I do my eyes first. Or, oh, you know what's another one? A good one? Do you do your eyebrows last or do your eyebrows first? I do my eyebrows first. The steps are typically eyebrows, eyes, face, lips. That's how I do my face. But let me know in the comments below how you do your makeup application, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.